Hello everyone! Welcome back to Technic Force Learning. Today I'll show you the new updates on Instagram Reels. The new features include text-to-speech and voice effects. Let's get started. One of the most popular social media platforms, Instagram, keeps adding new features to its short video features called Reels. Instagram has recently added two features that are similar to the video app TikTok for a seamless user experience. These two features are text-to-speech and voice effects, which will provide more options to create creative reels. Taking to its community page, the photo sharing app announced that those users who create reels on Instagram will be able to use the newly added audio. First, let's talk about text-to-speech. This feature lives within your text tool in the Reels camera and allows an auto-generated voice to read your text aloud. Text-to-speech helps you add narration without using your own voice. Get creative and add fun and humor to your Reels, which is already hugely popular on TikTok. These days, it seems like every other clip has that same oddly upbeat female voice narrating a key element of the action, so much so that it's actually a little annoying to hear. TikTok has added alternative voice options after a legal battle with the original voice actor for the feature, which provides some relief. But regardless, it's clearly a popular feature, so it makes sense for Instagram to add the same. Instagram's actual auto voices sound a little more generic, which could be a good thing, though the male voice is clearly not as manly as TikTok's variation, if that matters at all. So here's how to use the text-to-speech feature. First, open Instagram app. Go to your Reels camera. Tap this button to go to the Reels camera. Next, record your video or upload via gallery. Next, using the text tool, add the text to the video. Once your text is done, tap the text bubble to access the three-dot menu on the sticker. Tap on it and select text-to-speech. Then you will have two voice options to select from. You can tap one, listen to it, then choose which one you like.
My video collection. My video collection.
When that's done, post your reel when finished. Moving on, we have voice effect. Instagram has also launched voice effects, a tool that allows you to modify the audio and or voiceover in your reel. You can now change your recorded voice to make it sound like you've been sucking on helium, or you're a robot, or a giant, among various others, which could be an interesting way to change your clips. Here's how you can use voice effects on Instagram Reels. First, open Instagram app and go to the Reels camera. Then, record a reel.
Voice sample 1, 2, 3. Another voice effect sample.
Now,
1,
tap
2,
the
3.
music note
1,
to
2,
open
3.
the audio mixer.
Another voice sample 1, 2, 3. Another voice effect sample.
Then from
1,
here,
2, 3.
tap Effects
1,
and select
2,
the voice
3.
effects to modify the audio in your reel or your voice over. You can select from Helium,
Another voice effect sample. 1, 2, 3.
Giant,
Voice sample 1, 2, 3.
Vocalist,
Another voice effect sample 1, 2, 3.
Announcer,
1, 2, 3. Another voice effect sample 1, 2, 3.
or Robot.
Voice sample 1, 2, 3. Another voice.
And those are the new features of Instagram Reels. Go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think on the comments down below. And before this video ends, did you know that you can run live, on-demand scheduled webinar replays with hands-free automation and the breakthrough sales-getting features with no hosting required, and has dozens of ready templates and engagement and sales booster? Introducing Webinar Loop 2 by TechnicForce. Webinar Loop makes creating high-converting profitable webinars a piece of cake. It has never-seen-before engagement and sales-boosting technology, where you have full-screen lifelike experience, call to actions with clickable buttons, info boxes for engaging tidbits, and live polls on webinars. You have surveys on webinars too, and infographics and ads on webinars. So, what are you waiting for? Try Webinar Loop now. Just go to getwebinarloop.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.